Kapampangan is an annual celebration that we do every year. A lot of Kapampangans look forward to it because every December, we actually present a lot of women, 22 candidates particularly. Mutiani Kapampangan for me, it's not only a simple program nor a pageant for me, but for me, it's a great platform for a lot of women because they showcase their talents, they're exemplifying beauty and of course intelligence, and it showcases a lesson to everyone that not only men are valuable in our society, but as well as women. In my experience as a first-timer, I can say it's not an easy round for me. It takes a lot of courage and a lot of determination to win the crown. And with all the love and support I got from Micah Valens, finally I did it.
Show. Okay, best show natin lahat. Okay, and you are the stars of tonight's show. Shine the brightest. Naintindihan? Okay? So, see to it that every time lalabas kayo, you are always giving your best. Handlers, supporters ng each candidate na walang ID, they have to go out. Ito na yun, ha, girl? Go!
All of you is to keep in mind that win or lose, there is something worthwhile. You will learn from your participation with the stress, pressure, and challenge fostered by the competition. There's personal growth and maturity for you in this endeavor. I invite the audience to join the provincial government in celebrating Kapampangan womanhood through the honors that we give to the lovely ladies here, who represent the cream of our women, many of whom have become famous celebrity on account of their good looks, talent, virtue, and wondrous charm. Maraming salamat po and best of luck to our Mutianing Kapampangan aspirants. Kapampangan ay isang napaka-importanting tradisyon at makabuluhang pamanang Kapampangan na dapat nating patuloy na panatilihin at tangkilikin. Kaugnay na rin ang ating tema ngayong taon, Pamagdatila King Pamanang Kapampangan.